In the early 1980s, Mountain Computer was a fairly well-known manufacturer of computer accessories, most notably Apple II add-on and expansion boards. And one of their products was a music synthesizer card that could be interfaced with a digital piano or a MIDI keyboard. This particular Apple II was found in the local landfill, not only with the card installed, but with all the software to go with it, all these discs. All belong to this particular package. I also got 2 floppy disk drives. This is an aftermarket 5¼ inch drive, and here's the factory original. And inside, you can see how it's installed. Simply plop it in, no drivers needed, just plug it in and go. I believe this here is the MIDI interface card, and these 2 cards belong to the Mountain Computer music synthesizer boards, or package, I guess. So I'm going to demonstrate some songs that I found in this package that were composed by the previous owner, possibly the original owner, in, I believe, September of 1984. So I'll go ahead, and I've already got the thing started up. It takes a few seconds to boot to the menu. What I've got to do is type in a song name, which is on the disc. I'm going to start with one that I know that works. Because I don't have any documentation, I don't know how the light pen works. This is part of the Mountain Computer synthesizer package. I'm not sure how to use it. It's missing the tip, but it has the sensor installed, so Lord only knows how you use that. I'm using my Apple II GS to view all the files that are on the disk because I don't know any of the ProDOS commands, so I'm not really sure how to read these disks or how to determine what's on them. So this is a list of files that I found on the songs disk. A majority of them don't seem to work. So let's try quarter. Let's see what that does. So I'm going to type in the quarter file name to play the file. I'm going to put in my songs disk, which contains these files. Let's see if this does anything. A lot of these spit back errors. Because the discs are, well, they're 25 years old, so, you know, chances are it's not going to work. But I think it was return to play. There we go. Okay, it's compiling. So this one might request it. No, it didn't. Yep, it did. IDEF diskette. And that's looking for the instrument definition diskette. Oop. They all seem to use the organ. Okay, disc 1 is now disc 2 and vice versa. Alright. So let's pump our song diskette in there. I think it was Fantasy. See what that does. You know what? That's what the problem was. This drive is having a hard time reading those discs. So we're going to just go ahead and amazing. Okay, that was a relatively short song. So let's put our system disc back in. Let's play another one. Okay, it looks like we have a couple of instruments that aren't in the other ones, piano high and piano low.